Hello everyone, Ella Rhodes here, and today I'm actually wearing this jacket. I've got my riding helmet on it, but I'm wearing this nice coat because we're heading to, let me pull up my map, Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur to help out Nick Sturgeon at his camp because he is actually having some sort of problem. I don't really know. I just got a letter saying he needed my help with something. So yeah, we're gonna need to head over there. And today I'm wearing a nice thing. Nothing too special. It's just my Bobcats hat, a helmet, my black riding pants, my riding boots found at Marley's farm, and my Bobcat helmet, and my white riding gloves. I already said that, and my coat. So yes, hopefully we can get there in time. I know we will. So on Ice Wish, I am putting on this nice blue saddle pad from the mall, and then this jumping saddle also from the mall. And then I can't put anything on his hooves because he is actually the thing for him is you can't change his hairstyle or his hoof or his boots. I don't know why. I guess since he's a cold horse he doesn't like it. But yes, and then last but definitely not least, we have this nice bridle from the mall. And then, actually no, it's not last but not least. It's actually, I have some more stuff. Stuffy stuff. I've got to put this on him, which just clips on right next to the star, saying that I'm Star Rider. And then carefully I just gotta navigate back here and reach out and put on this. So yes, that was good. Let me just look at this. I got a little chat. Sorry. I can't write tube on this, I don't know why. It's just one of those funny things. And then I'm just going to the channel is Ella McBride. Hey guys, so she says nice. She says hey guys, so yeah. Hello from Bora Cloud Song. The channel is be sure to like. Okay, so of course you have to follow what she said. You need to like the video, or else there's gonna be a monster at your house at 10 p.m. It's just the way it works. So yes, now we're just gonna mount on up and get out of here. We're gonna trailer to Valedale and then to the camp. And actually, I forgot to mention, but we don't only need to go to Nick Sturgeon's camp. If there's time, we also need to head to South Hoof, and that could be really important because sometimes they have little foals that need help. Let me just check if they wrote anything big. Rose? Wait, Rose logged on? Wow! Rose logged on. Cool. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully they can subscribe. Whoops. Totally forgot where the trailer was. So yeah, we're riding English, not Western, because I might have to jump a bit there. Just for reasons. It's actually a short ride from Valedale Village. I shouldn't be spending any of my money because I need to save up for my Western saddle and then save up for the club tack, which I already have most of, but I still have, like, I've got the saddle, I've got the bridle, I've got the helmet, and I've got gloves, but I don't have the jacket. I don't have any white riding pants, I don't think. Actually, I do, but they're checkered white riding pants, and I don't really like them, so I'm gonna have to re-buy the white show jumping pants because I sold them. I've got something stuck in my tooth. I don't know what it is, but I hate it. So yeah, we're riding Ice Wish, not Onyx Magic today, because for Onyx Magic, if he's in Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, it's so cold that there'll be a little snowflake thing here, meaning that he can only slow gallop. But for Ice Wish, that does not happen because she's cold-blooded, as I say. Oops. Yeah, so see, like, that horse can't go full blast. So yeah, here we just need to dismount. Oh, easy. Oh, great, I hate it when it moves. Oh well, it's just over here. I think that person was just having a technical issue. Very glad they sorted it out. That was interesting. Wait, I just realized, where's her bridle? Where'd her bridle go? Where on earth did her bridle go? That was something. Okay, so now we just need to take a few directions because I do not visit this place too much unless I have a quest here, and I kind of just got it, so yeah, it's hard for me to navigate my way. Of course, we did have to do a quest where we lighted it up with torches, but it still is kind of hard. Anywho, yes, so, we're here. Oh, right. There's an awaiting letter? Oh, no, that's like, oh, right. Once I get to level 2, there'll be a waiting letter. I don't know why. What? What? You can't, oh, phew, it's here. Yes, there's awaiting the test results is complete. So yes, I can't actually, I don't know where to find the real quest, which was the update today, but I'll have to look somewhere. So yes, we're just going to go do that. Sorry, I'm gonna read that next time. I have the game on mute, so yeah, sorry. Oh, thank you, Ice Wish, for stopping for absolutely no reason. Thank you, that helped me a lot. Oh, nice. I've never noticed that the music was like this. And just because I can, I'm going to show you this new race. I've never actually completed it, because last time I tried, it was too hard. Come on. It's really hard, because at some points you have to jump over the river, and it's like, if you hit the river water, it just doesn't work. So yeah, that sucks. Okay, here comes. At least we're not on Onyx Magic, because Onyx Magic, as I said, he slows down, so it's harder to get across. Hop! Good girl. Which is why I've never completed it. Oh, damn. Easy. Okay, there we go. Most people don't know about that race, which is why this race is which is why it's called Hidden Dinosaur Race. And luckily, since we reached like a certain level, reputation level with Yarvik Stables, we have to level up like one more, and then I'll have permission to use the Elite track, which is actually a track I've been wanting for a while. It's a jumping track. Of course, I'll show you guys when I get it. Hey! It's a difficult race. I can't ignore that. But definitely being on Ice Wish makes it easier. Like, I've never passed that point. Oh wow! I didn't know I was that close to the finish line. Of course, I beat my own best score. I kind of hate the documenting part, but oh well. Too bad I can't do the update quest because I just don't know where it was. What? He cleared that. What? He cleared that. Oops. Wait, what? Okay, phew. Wait a minute. Wait, what? What? Wait a minute. I think I know where the quest is. Anyways. Easy boy, go boy. I think we're getting some good photos. Looks like everything's good. I think that there's a few angles there. Perfect. Everything's there and there. Perfect. I think that that's what we're supposed to. And then I'll just have to draw this quick picture. A lot is probably happening on my on club chat because that person just wait, what? Don't forget my what? My equipment? My equipment? What equipment? Was I supposed to pick up my equipment? Oh my god, I almost like totally lost my equipment. Oh my god! What kind of path is that? Oh, it's probably not a path. Sad moment. Okay. Easy. Okay, yep. Just totally can't find my way around things. If somebody would please tell me where the new quest is. Like, I know it's in Valley of the Hidden Dinosaur, but I don't know where. Oh my god. Wow. Now I'm gonna kick myself for 3.5 hours. See you in a sec. Nope. Nope. Okay, so we need to follow this bridge. Frozen Vale Lake? I've never heard of that. But whatever. Okay, wait, what? Why, thank you for bringing me to exactly the place I needed to go. Thank you, lot path. What? Do we really? Wow, okay, so apparently they wanted to make a maze for us to get up. Hey, nope. Okay, wow. That was amazing of Ice Wish to actually clear that. That was totally my fault if she weren't to have got that, but oh well, she did. Okay. More good photos.